Hi, hello my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Right up to now, I uploaded video lectures on the chapter Magnetic Effect of Current. My dear student, in this chapter already we discussed Biot-Savart's law and derivation of Biot-Savart's law. In the last lecture, I discussed derivation of Biot-Savart's law. So we'll get some derivation. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into ideal sin theta by r square. Now I will discuss few more details about this Biot-Savart's law. So please watch the lecture till the end. This is very important for the NEET as well as board point of view. Right. So we got Biot-Savart's law. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into ideal sin theta by r square. Ideal sin theta by r square. Okay. So here, what is the unit of mu naught? So this question is sometimes asked as a one mark question. So please observe carefully. What is the unit of mu naught? First of all, what is meant by mu naught here? Mu naught is permeability of free space. Mu naught is nothing but permeability of free space. Permeability of free space. So what is the unit of this? Observe carefully. From this, mu naught is equal to, so this is a equation 1. From equation 1, mu naught is equal to dB into 4 pi by dB into 4 pi into r square by ideal sin theta. Am I right? From equation 1, mu naught is equal to dB into 4 pi into r square by ideal sin theta. How can we write? You know here, if you know the formula, it is easy to write unit. What is the unit of dB? dB means magnetic field. What is the unit of magnetic field? Tesla. Tesla into 4 pi is a constant. There is no unit for that. R means R means distance. That means meter square. So unit of distance is meter. Here r square is there, meter square. What is unit of current? Ampere. So unit of current is ampere. What is unit of dl? Is meter into. So sin theta does not having unit. Here sin theta does not having unit. So ampere into meter. Here meter square cancel. Finally we'll get Tesla meter per ampere. Okay, Tesla meter per ampere. Over R, we can write this one as Tesla means Weber per meter square. Okay, into meter by ampere. That means square meter cancel. We will write Weber per meter into ampere. Okay, so Weber meter into ampere. So we can write Weber meter into ampere or Tesla into meter per ampere. Tesla into meter per ampere. So what is the unit of permeability of free space? Mu naught is nothing but permeability of free space. So that mu naught unit is SI unit of mu naught is equal to Tesla into meter per ampere or Weber per meter ampere. So here Tesla is equal to Weber per meter square. 1 Tesla is equal to 1 Weber per meter square. Okay. So this is SI unit of mu naught. Next, So now here observe carefully. Well, to continuing my lecture on the chapter magnetic effect of current. So now I am going to discuss few more details about the concept Biot-Savart's law. So now vector form of Biot-Savart's law. Vector form of Biot-Savart's law. The vector form of Biot-Savart's law. So observe carefully here. You know already scalar form. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by R square. Okay, so this is scalar form. So how can we write in vector form? Just multiply with R cap. dB bar is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by R square into R cap. Just multiply with the R cap, you will get dB bar. Here R cap is equal to R bar by modulus of R bar. R cap is nothing but R bar by modulus of R bar. Okay, so we can write this one as R bar by modulus of R is written as R. So R cap is equal to unit vector. R cap is equal to R bar by R. So then we can write this one as mu naught by 4 pi IDL sin theta by R square into R cap means R bar by R. R bar by R. This is a dB bar. Then, so from this we'll get mu naught by 4 pi into I into dl bar cross R bar. So observe carefully. dl R bar sin theta we can write it written as dl bar cross R bar by R cube. So this is a vector form of okay. So this is a vector form of vector form. So what is vector form of Biot-Savart's law? Vector form of Biot-Savart's law is dB bar is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I into dl bar cross R bar by R cube. Here theta is angle between dl bar and R bar. Here theta is angle between dl bar and R bar. Here theta is angle between dl bar and R bar. So next. Here theta is angle between dl bar and R bar. Next. So we will solve one numerical question. Then after that we are going to enter into new concept. So observe carefully. Question number 1. Question number 1. So here is Here is one point. This point is a P. So we drawn here. This is some 5 meters length. So this is a small element of length dl. Here is angle. Angle is 60 degrees. Angle 60 degrees. Some I be the current. I is equal to some 6 amps current. 6 amps current is passing through this. Here find direction and magnitude of magnetic field at point P. Find direction and magnitude of magnetic field at point P. Magnetic field B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by R square. Mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by R square. So here small element of length, this small element of length, so this is dB, generally this is dB. Okay, so I want B is equal to integration of dB, okay. So here total length of wire is equal to, if you consider some 10 centimeter, total length of wire is 10 centimeter or it may be 10 meter, okay. Total length of this wire is 10 meter. So please observe carefully. The total length of the wire is 10 meter. Current passing through this wire is 6 amps. And the angle between DL and this R is 5 meters. And here R is equal to 5 meters. Okay. So we need to find direction and magnitude of magnetic field at point P. So B is equal to generally integral dB. Integration of dB means mu naught by 4 pi. What is the dB value? Mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by R square. Ideal sin theta by R square. Here mu naught by 4 pi is constant. Mu naught by 4 pi is constant into IDL I into sin theta by R square also constant. So what is left here? Integral dl. So how can we write this? Mu naught by 4 pi into I into sin theta by R square into integral dl means L. Integration of dl means L. So finally we'll get magnetic field formula. This is magnetic field formula. Mu naught by 4 pi into I into sin theta by R square into L. So R square into L. So this is equation 1. Okay. From equation 1, B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi value is 10 power minus 7. You know already mu naught by 4 pi value is 10 power minus 7. So 10 power minus 7. Tesla into meter per ampere. Okay. So Tesla into meter per ampere. So 10 power minus 7 into I value is 6 amps into sin theta means sin 60 degrees by, so sin 60 degrees by R square means, and L value is there. L value is 10 meters. R square means 5 square. So we'll get from this 6 into 10 power minus 7 into sin 60 means root 3 by 2 into 10 by 25. So if you are calculate this, what we'll get? So how many times? Here 5 times. 5 how many times? Here 5 times. Okay, 5 times. 6 by 5. So we'll get from this, what we'll get finally? What we will get finally? So 6 by 5. So B is equal to, I got 6 into 10 power minus 7 into root 3 by 5. So 6 by 5, 6 root 3 by 5 means 6 by 5 means 1.2 into root 3 into 10 power minus 7. So magnetic field, what is the unit? Tesla. Okay, 1.2 into root 3, 1.2 into root 3 into 10 power minus 7. Otherwise we can write simply 6 root 3 by 5. 6 root 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 7 Tesla. Okay, so this is magnitude of magnetic field. And direction. What is the direction? How to find direction of magnetic field? You know already we had some rules. We had some rules for finding direction of magnetic field. In that first rule is, if you know the direction of current, it is easy to find direction of magnetic field by using Ampere's right hand thumb rule. Ampere's right hand thumb rule. Thumb indicates direction of current. Curling finger indicates direction of magnetic field. Thumb indicates direction of current. Current passes upward direction. Curling fingers indicates direction of magnetic field. Here thumb indicates direction of current. The curling fingers indicates direction of magnetic field. Here magnetic field is acting into the face. Magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is the direction of magnetic field is the direction of magnetic field is into the face. Okay, so magnitude is 6 root 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 7 Tesla. The direction of magnetic field is into the face. So this is about so today's session. I hope all of you understood this. We'll discuss few more details about this topic in further lectures. Thank you so much. All the very best.